To add a featured channel to your channel homepage, start by navigating to youtube.com and logging into your account. From there, select your profile picture in the top right corner and choose View Your Channel. Next, click on Customize Channel, which will open up the studio. In the studio, go to the Home tab and select Add section. Scroll down to the bottom and choose Featured Channels. You can then give your section a title, which will be displayed on your channel. To add a channel, search for the channel name. If it doesn't appear in the list, try copying the channel's URL and pasting it into the search bar. Once you've added multiple channels, you can rearrange their order by dragging and dropping them. When you're finished, select Done, and the featured section will be added to your channel. You can then reorder the sections as needed. To save your changes, click Publish in the top right corner. Your featured channels will now be visible on your channel homepage, and viewers can subscribe to or visit them directly.